beautiful people. My brother and I are on the road to Gilbert, Arizona for a move. We're in a rental currently, and we just made it into New Mexico, as you can see. This beautiful landscape behind me. We're gonna try to get into Arizona around 6 today. Hopefully we make it. Our hotels are already booked, but we're having a good time. If I see anything cool, I'll show you guys. Keep litter out of my territory. No freaking way, dude. We just made it to Albuquerque.
Continue on I-25 South.
We're about to go visit Los Pollos Hermanos, the restaurant. So it should be pretty cool. No freaking way. Los Pollos Hermanos. Twisters in real life. Los Pollos Hermanos in the show. That's crazy. If you love Breaking Bad, well, look where I'm at. Los Pollos Hermanos. Absolutely insane. It's Twisters in real life. I found the address and we were able to get off the highway and stop here. But that's absolutely crazy. I can just see Gus Fring in the parking lot right now walking around. Absolutely insane. I can't believe we're here. Very cool. Alright, I gotta show you guys this place. Absolutely insane. It looks the exact same as the show. Wow. That is amazing. Very cool. As you walk into, it's got Los Pollos Hermanos right there. That is insane. Very, very cool experience at Los Pollos Hermanos with my brother. We met lots of cool tourists.
Good food too.
Very good food. Very, very good food.
I didn't know what to expect. Like coming out of the way a little bit off the drive. I don't know if it was just gonna be like the touristy thing or if the food was gonna be good, but the food was good, so it's definitely worth the 14-minute drive off the highway. It's not bad.
Not bad at all. We also met a bunch of other people that were also there for the same reasons. Very cool talking to them.
They're getting refueled.
Ospreys.
2 of them. Yep, Ospreys.
Getting refueled. By, what is that? By
C-130 refueling ship.
Get out of town. That's one of the craziest things I've ever seen in the sky, dude.
That's the coolest thing I've ever seen.
What in the world?
That is sick.
In a quarter.
Man, New Mexico is just flat out beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Dude, what in the world? You're joking. You gotta beat the trade. Go.
I can't, dude.
Shoot.
Keep actually going right in the gas.
I gotta jump on that thing.
Is it gonna be at the last car?
Just about, dude.
Count.
No, we're gonna beat it.
Right.
Oh! Dude, it's so much. We are about to come up onto Arizona. It's Clayton's first time there in 3 years. It's super freaking beautiful here. I mean,
Home sweet
get
home.
out, dude.
The rock formations are just nuts.
That's insane. Look at this place. One of the most beautiful places on earth. Look at that ravine. Glad we're not going that way. Beautiful.
Wow.
Wow, wow,
Welcome to
wow.
Arizona.
Woo! Do we miss a sign?
I don't think there really is one, unless you might keep looking.
That's
for one.
crazy.
It's just kinda like,
Oh, it's beautiful. Goodness gracious.
there's
Are you
one along
kidding?
Texas Drive.
Clayton, are you seeing this right now? Yeah, that's rock, dude. There you go, yeah. Welcome to Arizona, baby! Represent.
Green Canyon Interstate.
We made it. We finally made it. About 19 hours, almost 19 hours later. I love me some Arizona heat, baby. It's beautiful, hot, sunny. Couldn't ask for more. We're almost to our hotel. We got like 3 hours left. It's a good day. Good day to be alive. The vast open plains of the African forest. Well, train's here. What do? You take a stretch break. Never mind. Again.
Veterans of the bike game.
We had zero clue this would be coming up. Wow. I cannot believe what we just ran into. I mean, come on.
Oh my god, I love it.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Only in Arizona. Look at this.
This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. And we had no idea this drive was going to be this beautiful toward the end. What a blessing. Goodness.
Driving. Holy moly.
Oh, yeah. Well, it's been a long day on the road. We're somewhere in Arizona right now. As you can kind of sort of tell, we're about to eat. We're tired, but we have like an hour left, but food comes first. I love me some palm. Yeah. Where the palm trees at? I just saw them. Some big old palm trees. Palm trees. Love me some palm trees. Well, finally made it. It's about 10:30 to our hotel. Super nice hotel,
Take the
hopefully.
next left.
Seems
Turn
like
left.
it. They got palm trees here, which is a plus. Love me some palm trees. Super cool. Well, it's Friday morning. Beautiful day. Headed to the unload. Hopefully it goes fast so we can do whatever we want.
Massive pond right there. Super nice.
We're just enjoying it. It's so nice out here. We're gonna get this truck unloaded. I'm probably just gonna take a time lapse, so let's get that started. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we made it into Phoenix, as you can see. I mean, what a beautiful city. We talked to our papa, and he suggested going to a Diamondbacks game. So I just got tickets to go to a Diamondbacks game in about an hour or so or two. So that's freaking awesome, but we're gonna ride these scooters around.
Mine's going.
He's ready to go, let's go. Woohoo! This is freaking awesome, man. We're having a great time. Riding scooters, baby. Beautiful city. Look at this guy. He knows what's up. Oh, yeah. Wow. Guys, look what we just found. Palm trees! Palm trees! Yes, sir. Beautiful. Beautiful, baby.
It's only the second
baby.
MLB stadium I've ever
We made it. We made it, baby. What the
been.
field, yo?
Shirt on.
I know.
I got everyone here.
Guys, check out this freaking view, man, at the D-backs stadium. Absolutely beautiful. This place is absolutely
He knows
sick.
what's going on, dude. He's like,
Yeah, he does.
see the game.
Thanks for hooking us up, Pops. If you hadn't told us about this, we wouldn't be here right now. This is awesome. We just snuck down this field. Oh.
Off the roof! See, the parking pass is only for someone parking space. We parked across. You've been waiting your life for a wait?
That's going the wrong way, too.
It is going the wrong way.
No shot it goes again, dude. No way.
Number 13, Tim Tower.
Guys, this right here is what life is all about. Riding scooters, we're in Phoenix, fireworks. Doesn't get better than this, man. It does not get better than this. Beautiful night.
Chicken in the bread, bang, bang, now, dog. Bring it up like no town dog.
Okay, it is the next day. It's a beautiful one. It is Saturday. We are headed to the airport now. They fly us home now on Interstates, which is really cool. So we're super excited. I think we're headed to Mesa Airport, so I'll see you guys when we get there. So this airport's actually super cool because it has like walkout gates back there. So maybe if you ever record like the walkout gate, if you walk out into the tarmac, which is super cool. I've never done that before personally. You might be able to see like up there. Here, I'll show you guys. This is pretty dope. as you can see. And we are flying Allegiant, which I've never flown Allegiant before. So that's pretty awesome. I love flying new airlines, new airports. We're having a good time. We are having a good time. Oh shoot, yo. This is awesome, dude. Check it out, dude. Never walked out before. This is the first time. Sweet. Look at her. She's a big girl. This is so awesome. There's the airport. Awesome. Here we are. So sick, dude. See you, Arizona.
757, the really long plane, the boat.
No, we were wrong?
No, me.
No.
And he had a crosswind, so he was getting sideways.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see.
Hi.
Oh, yeah. Oh, girl. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Get off my arm, dude. Golly. Sadie. What in the world? Well, that was unexpected. What a treat. What a delicacy. What a delicacy. Goodness gracious.